It's my, alright guys, it's, my number 2 little standing small video. I'm gonna show you LEGO Dino Attack, Aquazone, the older one, and, Underground Rock Raiders, Power Miners, and I think I'm gonna do the, Alpha Team afterwards, in a different video. Alright, so Dino Attack. I did not get any of these, but I do have a few decals, which I'll get later. And show you. I like these sets because of the dinosaurs especially, but I didn't get any, which was kind of a big disappointment. But otherwise I really like the people because mostly my friend gave them to me, a few of them, so that was a really big plus because he's awesome. His name is ItKing23. He doesn't have any videos on yet, but yeah, he's really awesome. Alright, now we have Aquazone. I have a few of these. I got like 2 of the same Scorpion sets, and I got a few other ones. Alright, I have these guys. They're pretty cool. I like them because of the fins and the diving gear. I also like these guys. They're pretty cool. These guys are awesome, but I never got any because they were like 1998, which is when I was born. But otherwise, it's really sad because they are awesome. I mean, look at these guys. Look, you don't get that piece much anymore. That one, the helmets, and if you can kind of see the head. I'm sorry about this. It kind of has lines in it, which is cool. All right, Underground. This is Rock Raiders. Sorry that I'm going so fast. I kind of have to be somewhere. This is really cool because they were the old Power Miners, which you kind of see on the other page. And I like, most of these are awesome, but I didn't get any, sadly. My friend, ItKing23, he has all of them. He's got all the old sets with Jabba and that kind of stuff. But he's really lucky and really awesome, so he gave me Jabba the Hutt. Well, actually, I kind of found him, and then he just told me what it was. Alright, so Rock Raiders are pretty much, it's the same as Power Miners, except they did the rock monsters, big ones like the brothers, the red one and the green one from these guys, because they don't throw, but the older ones were all brown, and didn't move, which was kind of sad. Alright, now from that we're gonna skip to Power Miners. I have all these guys. I'm pretty sure I'm missing just Meltrox, which is kind of sad. I have definitely all these guys. I'll show you them in a different video. And my first one was Glaciator, which I thought was awesome. Then I got Boulder-Ax, and then Fire Rocks. I have a few of each, and it's really awesome. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do Alpha Team in a different video, so I'll see you guys later.